Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Ravihi. Ravihi means sun. Okay. First, I will read the word meanings, then I will explain you the lesson. Okay, children? Listen carefully. Ravihi. Ravihi means sun. Udayate, rises. Astam gacchati. Astam gacchati means sets. Then prakashate, shines. Modante, people feel happy. Chandaha, very hot. Prabhate, in the morning. Okay, children? Then we have few more meanings. Listen here. Janaha. Janaha means people. Okay. Namani, names. Andhakaraha, darkness. Okay, children? Now I will teach you the meaning. Listen here. Ravihi akashe prakashate. What is meant by Ravihi akashe prakashate? That means sun shines in the sky. Prakashate means shines. Ravihi means sun. Sun shines in the sky. Okay, then Ravihi prabhate udayate. Sun rises in the morning. Okay, then Ravehe prakashaha andhakaram nashayati. The light of the sun destroys darkness. Andhakaram means darkness. Nashayati means destroys. Prakashaha means light. So, the light of the sun destroys darkness. Then the next sentence, Ravina Janaha Modante. People are very happy because of the sun god. Okay, then why? Without sunlight, we can't do anything, right? So that only people are very happy because of sun god. Then Ravehe prakashena janaha karyam kurvanti. Karyam means work. We do some work with the help of sunlight, right? So that only they have given janaha. People are doing certain works with the help of Ravehe prakashena, sunlight. Okay, then mitraha, bhanuhu, yinaha, yityapi ravehe namani santi. What means that? We have so many names for sun god in Sanskrit. That is Ravihi, Mitraha, Bhanuhu, Yinaha. Then we have some more names. Divakaraha, Bhaskaraha, Suryaha. Okay, then Dinakaraha. Then Ravehe Prakashaha Arogyaya Bhavati. The sunlight gives good health to the people, to all the creatures. Okay, then Ravihi Sayam Astam Gacchati. That means the sun sets in the evening. Sayam means evening. Astam means sets. Okay, then Ravaye Prataha Sayam cha Janaha Pujam Kurvanti. People are worshipping the sun god every day, morning and evening. Okay, the people are giving some pujas, doing some pujas to sun in the morning and in the evening. Okay, now I will teach you the exercise of this lesson. Listen here. The first one, Ravihi Kutra Prakashate. What is meant by Kutra, children? Kutra means where. Prakashate means shines. Okay. Ravihi Kutra Prakashate. Ravihi Akashe Prakashate. The sun shines in the sky. Okay, children? Then Ravihi Kada Udayate. Udayate means sunrise. When it will happen? Every day morning, right? So Ravihi Prabhate Udayate. Prabhate means in the morning. Then the third one, Ravina ke modante, who are very happy because of sun god. We people are very happy, right? So, Ravina janaha modante. Then the fourth one, Ravehe namani kani. What are all the names given in this lesson for sun god? Bhanuhu, Mitraha, Inaha. You can write so many names also, right? So many other names of sun god. Bhaskaraha, Divakaraha, Dinakaraha, Suryaha. Okay, children? Then the second one, fill in the blanks. Okay, children? The first one, Ravihi dash prakashate. You say the answer, children? Yes, you are right. Akashe. So, write here one. Ravihi akashe prakashate. Then the second one, dash prabhate udayate. You say the answer, children? Yes, you are right. Ravihi. Ravihi prabhate udayate. Okay. Then the third one, Ravina dash modante. Who are very happy because of sun god? Yes, you are right. People. Janaha. So, write here 3. So, Ravina, Janaha, modante. Okay, children? Now, I will teach you some opposites. Listen here. Prataha, Sayam. What is by Prataha? Prataha means morning. Sayam means evening. Okay, children? Then, Mitram Ripuhu. What is by Mitram? Mitram means friend. Ripuhu means enemy. Okay, children? Then I will teach you the verbs. Listen here. Bhu dhatuhu, to be. Lat lakaraha. Okay, children? Present tense. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. Bhavasi, bhavathaha, bhavatha. Bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. Okay?